Honest review of the Coolit evaporator cleaner. I honestly love this thing. I've tried so many different things to get my air conditioner to smell better. So a little bit of backstory. Air conditioning, when you're using it all the time, builds up moisture if your condensate drain line gets plugged up, or if there's a lot of debris on your egg coil. That causes mold buildup in the evaporator, which is really hard to reach. You got to tear apart the dashboard to reach it essentially, and it takes a lot of work, a lot of effort. And this is an amazing product that's just such a quick fix for air conditioners that smell foul. Mine's got so bad that in summer I just did not want to turn it on because I feel like I was getting a sinus infection. I used this. What I did is, it comes with a tube. You run it up the condensate drain line, and this thing works like magic. I have my AC on right now and it smells so much better, and I'm honestly surprised at the amount of liquid that comes back out of the condensate drain line. It just sprays back out, so essentially washes out the condenser or evaporator rather, and it just washes it out with a disinfectant, which essentially kills all the mold in there. So if you're on the fence about trying this, you're not sure if it works, definitely get it. I tried a couple of things before this and none of them really worked. First one was I tried to spray the intake with a disinfectant after taking out my air filters. Really didn't work that well. I tried washing my condensate drain line out with water. Once again, still had that smell, and I finally decided to go and pick this up from AutoZone. It's about $15, and I have to say my air conditioner almost immediately after doing this smelled so much better. So if you're on the fence about it, definitely check it out. You will not regret it.